Is your heart broken? Don't worry. Allah is with the broken heart. First of all, I would say don't skip my video, watch it full. It's going to very important for you. It's very vast topic. We can add lots of things in it. I don't think that I can cover it one video, so keep watching my channel. To get more videos about this topic and any other topic for this, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon to get more videos. If you think you get some peace of mind, please like, comment and share it with your friends and family. Jazakallah. As we all know, seeking knowledge is necessary for every Muslim. When we said, we use different way to get rid of this situation. Some people listen music, some go for outdoor activities. Mostly people find relaxation to eat their desirable food. This is all about to get pleasure. I think we should know Allah calms us through different verses in Quran. But mostly we do not seek knowledge about Quran verses. What is the best way to seek knowledge? We should recite Quran daily. How to get inner peace? I think inner peace relates our mental, physical and spiritual health. Everyone has their own way of thinking to get inner peace. Lots of Muslims, including me, find all calmness and peace of mind in Islam. If we check in Quran, here we get lots of verses to kick out our sadness and give peace to our restless mind and body. In Surah Al-Imran, verse 139, Allah clearly said, "Do not lose hope, nor be sad. You will surely be victorious if you are true believers. Don't give space sadness in your life. Just read these verses throughout day when you have best time to focus on it. Continuous focusing on Allah, you will get believe on Allah, Tawakal on Allah, true inner satisfaction. Soon you will know the power of Allah. Whenever we stuck sadness in our lives and think that no one help us, in this situation, we should follow the teachings of Quran. In Surah Al-Imran, verse number 139, Allah clearly said, "Do not lose hope nor be sad. When I am with you, He is continuous watching us, knowing all about us, what we do good and wrong in every condition, He is with us." In last part of verse, Allah clearly said, "You will surely be victorious if you are true believers." I think all of us get the main point of this verse, that completely believe on Allah. He will never leave us alone in any situation. At the end of this video, I would say we should appreciate His blessings if we are true believers.